I'm Kaimana Kane, and Happy New Year! It's January 1st, 2021.
What? It's a new year? What are we going to do in this new year?
A vision board.
A vision board? Does it look like this?
Yes.
A blank board just hanging out in front of you?
No.
What is a vision board?
It's something you want, but you have to believe it is going to be yours.
So what do we do with this vision board to make things believe that what we want?
So you need these items. You need a board, like a thick board. You need a Sharpie that I have here. And you need to print out some pictures like I have these.
What are these pictures of?
I want a mansion. I want a private island. I want to be a billionaire. But you actually have to say, like, I am a billionaire. I have a private island.
So you mean you tell me that you put these pictures on this board.
And you tape them on there.
Tape them on there, and then do you write anything on the board?
Yes, you do.
So when you write something, you don't write, I want to have a private island. I want to have a green Lamborghini. I want a mansion. What do you do?
So you have to write, I have a Lamborghini. I am a billionaire.
So you write like you already have it. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
So you go on here and you print out these pictures and you just paste them on here on this board, and then you write that stuff?
Yep.
Is that it? And that's magic?
It's not magic.
But what else do you need to do?
You need to hang it up where you look at it every day.
Like on the ceiling?
No, like in your bedroom.
Oh, that's a great idea. So you just put the pictures there and you just let it happen, or do you have to do anything else?
You have to print a picture of yourself, like this.
Who's that kid?
It's me.
With a mohawk?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right, so where do you put it?
So you put it in the middle of the board.
Oh, and then you have all these items taped around it, okay. And then we write underneath each item, I have a green Lamborghini.
Yeah.
I am a billionaire.
Or I have a mansion.
I have a mansion. All right. So this is a great start with the vision board. You got everything there. You can pick whatever you want from online. You can take your own pictures, whatever you want to do, right?
Yeah.
But I see some papers over here. What are these papers?
So these are my goals, affirmations, and the dates I want to complete my goals.
So like, for example, can I see this? This is your goals of 2021.
Yep.
And you have like, move to Arizona by the Grand Canyon.
Yes.
Why do you want to move to Arizona by the Grand Canyon?
Like, I want to explore rocks, and I've never been there before.
Yeah. Number 2 is I want to earn $1,000 in goals of 2021. So I see what you want to do. You want to go skydiving, you want to earn money, so you have your goals, okay? So goals, and then you have the dates you're going to achieve them by, right?
Right.
Is that what it said?
What it says.
So like, for example, you want to move, let's see, you want to move 15 miles from the Grand Canyon by when? By June 15th. Okay, so you have your goals and your dates and all that stuff on there, okay.
Yep.
And then, you said an affirmation. What's an affirmation?
Affirmation is when you write like a sentence down, but you want it and you write it down, and then you read it and you have to really believe you have it.
Oh, so the affirmation's like the very first one says,
I have very strong arms.
let me see your arms, let me see your muscles. Okay, get in there, all right.
Yeah.
But so you have to believe it, kind of like the vision board. So when you get a green Lamborghini and you put it on here and you say, I have a green Lamborghini, what else do you have to do? Just that with the affirmations?
I really think so.
So you also have to believe it?
Yes.
So like, for example, in the green Lamborghini, so we put up here, we have to imagine what it looks like, what it feels like. Like what?
Like what it smells like.
Inside the green Lamborghini?
Yeah.
and more importantly, how it makes you feel,
Yes.
right? So you not only have to have the vision board, I have a green Lamborghini underneath it. You create affirmations for I have a green Lamborghini or whatever you want. You also have to imagine what it feels like, what it smells like, the kind of music you're going to be listening to, how the seats feel, and how it makes you feel. Is that right?
Right.
If you do all this, what do you think is going to happen?
You're gonna get it.
Like a knuckle sandwich? You're going to get it?
No.
No?
You're gonna get what you have on the vision board if you do what we all told you to do.
Dude, if that happens, can I please drive the green Lamborghini?
Yes.
Dude, I love you. All right. Well, perfect. Well, thank you very much. And
Goodbye.
do you want to say anything else to everybody else?
Happy New Year.
Does that work? Come on, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Shaka. Aloha.
Bye.
And we're back with a wardrobe change. Why would we do that?
Because we took a bath time and brush your teeth time.
By we, do we mean just you? Yeah. You didn't take me in there. All right. But you get your own personalized pajamas. So you took a bath, you brushed your teeth. Anything else happened while we were gone?
Yeah, we were gone while we were doing this
What's that?
vision board.
Can I see it?
Yes.
3, 2,
2, 1. Show it.
bam! Whoa, so this is what it looks like. You put your picture in the middle with your name. You put the things, your items on there. I have a mansion. I'm a billionaire.
I have this fan and I have this pinky.
Oh, is that a surf van? A beach
Yeah.
van? Dude, you're just like Daddy. All right.
I have a private island. I have a green Lambo.
What's a Lambo?
A Lambo is Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Okay, cool. So now we have the vision board. We put it in our room.
Right.
We have our affirmations,
Our goals and our dates.
goals. The dates. Oh, the dates are the dates you're going to complete the goals by. That's
Right.
what you're aiming for. Okay.
Right.
Good. So we have this stuff. Anything else?
Well, here's one more thing. Happy New Year.
Oh, Happy New Year. Cool. Okay. But we also have to believe, don't we?
Yes.
So we take the vision board. We have our affirmations.
We believe these are gonna come. And one more thing. The universe is gonna bring it to you if you believe it enough.
So if you believe it enough because you look at it every day, you have your affirmations, you have your goals to work towards them and the dates to aim by.
Right.
And what we mentioned before is you have to imagine what it feels like driving in that green Lambo, what it feels like, the leather feels like, what the music sounds like, how it's going to make you feel as a person.
Right.
And you said the secret ingredient is you have to believe. So kind of like believing the same way when you go to a restaurant, obviously pre-COVID.
And you order a cheese sandwich and french fries.
You order a cheese sandwich and french fries.
Including apple juice.
And apple juice. All right, cool. Now we know what you liked. So you're saying if you order that stuff from the waiter or waitress,
You know it's gonna come.
you know it's going to come.
Right.
You don't know when. It could be 5 minutes. It could be an hour and 5 minutes. But you believe it's going to come. You know what it's going to look like. You know what it's going to taste like. You know what it's going to smell like.
You know what it's gonna feel like when you take the smell and take the taste from the food.
And the bites and all that stuff.
Right.
So kind of like with the vision board. You know what it's going to maybe smell like, what it's going to feel like, what the air is going to be like if you're hanging out in the pool. If you have that paint and you're looking at it and all the comments you're going to get from your friends who are COVID-free to come over. The breeze on the beach, maybe the sound of birds chirping and the wet waves crashing, right?
Right.
So you believe, you feel,
And you smell.
you smell, and you just know without a doubt.
It's gonna come to you if you believe it.
All right. The way to do that is, again, working through your affirmations. having goals.
And having the dates when you're gonna complete your goals.
Exactly, man. I'm excited because right now you are not 16. How old are you?
7.
You're 7. So that means if you get the green Lambo before me, that means I get to drive it. All right?
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Aloha.
And Happy New Year.
Phew.